Let's take a short tour of the Blackburn College Hub navigation. On the left-hand side, you'll see a dashboard icon. When clicking it, it will take you home to the dashboard. The members icon, located right below the dashboard icon, will give you an opportunity to see the site-wide activity of what members, including faculty, staff, and students, are posting on the Hub. Groups will show you what groups have been created and their activity. For example, here we see Public Relations. By clicking on Public Relations, it will take you to that specific group. We'll show you what's been happening and what's been being posted. Below Members, we have Events. Events will tell you everything that's currently going on campus by clicking it. When events have been created, they will show up here and are searchable. It will also allow you to see event locations. Locations that have been previously selected for events can be clicked on, and you can see any new events that they are participating in. News will allow you to browse through the Blackburn College announcements. Announcements include campus activity, pertinent news, and things that are valuable to faculty, students, and staff. Announcements are tagged via announcements or other tags that might be relevant to the source material. They include the author of the announcement and the date it was posted. You'll see different announcement synopses on this page. By clicking on the title or the Read More button, you'll be able to access that announcement in full and read its contents. We also have Directory. Directory gives a brief explanation of the buildings on campus and their attributes.